For the first time in my entire life living in Orange County, I'm in the midst of a hailstorm. This is totally unbelievable. Hail is falling from the sky. Look at this.
It's like snowing.
Oh. You have snow on your car. Look at this.
Someone's gonna think someone's getting beat out.
It's friggin' snowing in Orange County.
And it never does?
No, it has never done this.
Okay.
Open your hand. Oh, whoa, that's cold.
You have no idea this is happening, Bill?
Look at this. Look at our house.
None at all.
We have snow.
Dylan. This is so exciting.
Isn't this awesome?
Gosh.
I want it to happen again. I wanted to do it again.
No, this is like so exciting. Oh my gosh.
Here. Open your hand.
I'm so excited right now.
Here, look at my car. Come here.
I know. In Orange County, come on. You never know.
Look at all that.
Look at your windshield.
This is, you gotta take a picture. You gotta send that dad.
Let's eat some of it.
Okay.
Really?
Okay.
They're like on a windshield.
This is really good, actually.
Not
Okay.
bad.